Hello everyone, welcome back to the maths class. Let's continue with the exercise 19b second main. In this main also we have given with 3 polynomials and the heading is to add the given polynomials. So let's write all the 3 given polynomials with the plus sign, that is minus 17x square minus 2xy plus 23y square. Here second expression. See children, here I have to put plus sign because it is asked to add, but here we have a minus sign. When you are adding the expression, if you have minus sign, it doesn't makes you much changes, so we can carry with the same sign. Minus 9y square plus 15x square plus 7xy plus 13x square plus 3y square minus 4xy. So if it is getting confused for you, you can write plus sign and write the polynomials inside the bracket. In the next step, remove the bracket and write. So but you have to learn and know this concept, children. When you are adding the polynomials, the plus or minus sign does not change. That's why we can keep minus 9y square as it is. Now what is my next step? To group the like terms. Let's identify the like terms. Minus 17x square plus 15x square plus 13x square. First group. Minus 17x square plus 15x square plus 13x square. Next group of like terms, that is we have xy here. So minus 23xy plus 7xy minus 4xy. So let me write the same. Minus 2xy plus 7xy minus 4xy. And the last group with y square. 1, 2, 3 terms. So let's rewrite the same, that is plus 23y square minus 9y square plus 3y square. So before you proceed with the next step, just check the count number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure that you have taken all the terms while regrouping. Okay, now look at the first group. We have 3 terms. So in all the case, when you are adding or subtracting with like terms, children, repeat the step or recall the thing what I have explained and apply it same. So how I'll do? Let me consider the first 2 terms. 1 minus 1 plus. So subtract. Write the greater number sign. Now keep the third term as it is. 1 minus 1 plus. Subtract. And write the greater number sign. Keep the third term as it is. Again, 1 plus 1 minus. Subtract 23 minus 9. Once you subtract, as soon as you subtract, you have to observe the greater number sign. So here greater number is 23. So your solution will carry with 20 plus sign itself. Plus 23 minus 9. You need to have it with plus. Now what is the difference between 23 minus 9? I hope you can subtract. Do it fast. It is 17y square. 23 minus 9. It is 14y square plus 3y square. Next. First 2, next 2, next 2. Again 1 minus 1 plus. 13 minus 2 is 11x square. It is having greater number is having plus sign. So plus 11x square. In the second case, 5xy minus 4xy is plus xy because greater number is plus. Here I am adding both. 14 plus 3 is 17y square. This is your solution. So let me repeat and revise once, children. So next problem onwards, you can follow me and try to do the solution along with me. So while adding the polynomials, we write the given polynomials with plus sign, then group the like terms, and while simplifying, see that you take the first 2 terms, simplified and carry the third term as it is. While doing simplification, note down the sign of the given terms. If both are plus, add and plus sign. Both are minus, add and minus sign. 1 plus 1 minus, subtract and greater number sign. So next question. Question number 2. So let's write with the plus sign. Minus x square minus 3xy plus 3y square plus 8 plus 3x square minus 5x square minus 3 plus 4xy minus 6xy plus 2x square minus 2 plus y square. First with x square terms. X square, x square, x square. So group it. Minus x square plus 3x square plus 2x square. Next with xy. xy, xy and then xy. So minus 3xy plus 4xy minus 6xy. Next with y square. 3y square minus 5y square plus y square. So plus 3y square minus 5y square plus y square. Now we have the constant terms, that is only the numerical values. Let's carry the same. Plus 8 minus 3 minus 2. So if you are able to group this in a proper order, next steps seems to be very simple and very easy, so that you can concentrate on the simplification part. Now try to simplify the like terms. So here I have minus x square plus 3x square. So 1 plus 1 minus, the solution is 2x square, greater number is 2. So let me carry the third term. Now in this case 1 minus 1 plus, subtract, greater number is plus, so it is plus xy, carry the third term as it is. Here 1 plus 1 minus, subtract, greater number is 5, so carry the minus sign. So plus y square. Here 1 plus 1 minus, subtract. Here you can do directly, children. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Plus 3. Now 2x square plus 2x square is 4xy plus xy minus 6xy. 1 plus 1 minus, subtract, and greater number is 6. So minus 5xy. Here also 1 minus 1 plus, subtract. It is 1y square. Greater number is 2. So minus y square plus 3. So for all the problem, before you write the solution, think, decide and write, then the problem seems to be very simple. Let me move on to the third question. Again rewrite it with plus sign. A cube minus 2b cube plus a plus b cube minus 2a cube plus b minus 2b plus 2b cube minus 5a plus 4a cube. So let's group it first all with a cube terms. A cube minus 2a cube plus 4a cube. Now b cube, and then b cube minus 2b cube plus b cube plus 2b cube. Then it is plus a. Do we have any other term with a? Yes, it is minus 5a plus a minus 5a. Next with b minus 2b plus b minus 2b. As they are like terms, you can simplify there only, or you can just rewrite it, and later in this next step. We have 4 groups, one with a cube, one with b cube, one with a, and one with b. So a cube minus 2a cube, 1 plus 1 minus, subtract, and greater number is 2, so minus, plus 4a cube. 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 is 1b cube, greater number is 2, so carry minus sign, plus 2b cube. Here 1 plus 1 minus, subtract, write the greater number sign, that is minus 4a. So plus b minus 2b is minus b, 2 minus 1 is greater number is minus. You can notice here, children, as it is of plus and minus, you can cancel at this stage itself, and you can carry plus b cube also in the next line. So as it was a routine, I simplified these two, but you can cancel minus 2b cube plus 2b cube and take only b cube in the next step. Now 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 1 is 3a cube. So 1 plus 1 minus, subtract, greater number is 2, so plus b cube. So I cannot simplify with minus 4a and minus b. They are of different coefficients. They are unlike terms. So carry the term as it is. This is the solution for second main. In the third main, the heading is as to evaluate. So what do you mean by that evaluate? We need to observe the given question carefully, children. Let me read the question. 3a minus of a plus 2b minus of, we read this bracket as of. According to the mathematics rules, that of means it is multiplied. You need to multiply. Nothing is there before the bracket. What to multiply? If there is no value, we take it as minus 1. That means to say, if you have a bracket, before the bracket if there is a minus sign, it indicates that open the bracket by changing the sign of the value inside the bracket. See, how did I write? 3a minus a minus 2b. So once you open the bracket, here you have plus a, it becomes minus a. Here you have plus 2b because it becomes minus 2b. So make this note, children. Whenever you have the terms inside the bracket, if there is a minus sign before the bracket, then multiply all the given values inside the bracket with minus sign and open the bracket. Opening the bracket means what? Not to just remove the bracket and write. You have to open the bracket means the terms inside the bracket will be written with the opposite sign. That means plus becomes minus. Here plus becomes minus. Why it is minus? Because we are multiplying. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Let me give this note for you, children. Minus into plus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. Plus into plus is plus. When do we apply this? When we are multiplying it. Okay? When both are plus, the sign is plus. When both are minus, the sign is plus. 1 plus 1 minus, you will get minus. This we call it as product. That is when you are going to multiply it with the sign. Now simplification is easy. 3a minus a is 2a minus 2b. So as a and b cannot be simplified, we keep the solution as it is. Similar way, second problem. So first write as it is, 5x minus 3y. Here you have minus. So open the bracket means plus x will become minus x, plus y will become minus y. So what is next step? Grouping. 5x minus x minus 3y minus y. First group, second group. First group, 1 plus 1 minus. So subtract it. 5 minus 1 is 4. Greater number is 5. So it is plus 4x. Second group, minus 3 minus 3y minus y. Both are minus. So add. 3 plus 1 is 4, but carry the minus sign. I hope you are following me, children. Next. 8a plus 15b, open the bracket, minus 3b, minus into minus will become plus 7a. Again I am repeating this, children. See, opening the bracket means value inside the bracket should be written with opposite sign. Plus 3b will become minus 3b, minus 7a will become plus 7a. How did it happen? We are multiplying the values inside the bracket with minus sign. Minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Those who are not able to remember this, you keep this clue at least. Whenever you open the bracket, the value inside the bracket should be written with opposite sign. So now group it. 8a minus 3b, 8a plus 7a plus 15b minus 3b. So 8a plus 7a is 15a. Both are plus, so we'll add and write the plus sign. Plus 15b minus 3b, subtracted, it is 12b. Greater number is 15, so it carries the sign plus. 15a plus 12b. Let's move on to question number 4. 8x plus 7y, keep as it is. Open the bracket, children. Minus 4y. So minus 3x will become plus 3x. So only the point to be noted in this main is how to open the bracket. Remaining things are as it is. Group the like terms and do the simplification. Both are plus, so I'll add and write the plus sign. 1 plus 1 minus, I'll subtract, and greater number is 7, so let me carry the plus sign. So 11x plus 3y. Next, 7, open the bracket, plus 4a will become minus 4a, minus 5 will become plus 5. So only we have two constant terms, we don't have any algebraic terms. So keep minus 4a as it is. 7 plus 5 will be 12. Minus 4a plus 12. I hope you are following. Kindly follow the instructions carefully. Then question number 6. 6y minus 13 minus 4, and it is plus 7y. Plus 4 became minus 4. Minus 4 became plus 7 by opening the bracket. Now like terms. 6y plus 7y one group, and minus 13 minus 4 is the other group. As they are together here, you can simplify it in the first step itself. So 6 plus 7 is 13y, both are plus. Here both are minus, so add and write the minus sign. 13y minus 7. So by this we have completed the first 3 mains of exercise 19b. Go through it very much carefully, children. In the next class we are going to start with the 4th main, where you are going to learn about how to subtract the polynomials. Till then, take care. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.